Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of KayMarsh'a. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today I had a long day, y'all. Like, I'm just literally getting in the house and it's 11 o'clock. I never have my daughter out this late, but I had to do a couple of running around and I'm exhausted. So today I was vending. If you guys don't know, well, I don't think you'll know, but I have a hair bow line for my daughter, and it's called Wrapped in a Bow by Isla Soleil. And ladies, mommies, aunties, godmommies, if you're interested in like little kid hair accessories, y'all can follow her on Instagram at Isla Soleil Collection, and her website ilasoleilcollection.com. I have hair bows, headbands, hair clips, bonnets, adjustable bonnets for little girls, and I will be adding more stuff to her collection. I'm just really not sure yet. I've been, brainstorming, so I will definitely let you guys know what I have planned when I get there. But anyway, y'all, my day was hectic. So I vent today, and it was from 1 to 6, and it was it turned out to be successful. I got a lot of sales, and that's a good thing. So I'm excited for that. I had picked Isla up from her dad at 7 o'clock. Once we did that, we had to ride back. We had to go to my mom's house, drop her off some stuff, and then I had to go to FedEx because I had ship a package out, return or order, because I had ordered these sandals from Adidas. They're like Stella McCartney, and y'all, when I say they were huge, I wear an 8, but it looked like I had a 10 on my feet. So it looked like I had a 10 on my feet. Like, they were so big and jumbo. So I'm like, you know what, I have to return these and get a size 7. So I did that. I had to do that. First I had to go to Staples. First I had to go to Staples and get the label printed out, because I have to get ink for my printer, and I had to go back to FedEx so they can ship it off. Then we went to Target. Y'all, I made a list. Y'all, this is so great. This is how Target gets me every time. So I made a list, and I put, every time when I'm like about to go like to a store, I always write down in my notes like what I need in my phone. So I had everything settled, everything that I needed to get on this list. So I wound up getting everything but what I came for. So I wanted to get Isla some swim shoes, because the swim shoes that I had got her, they're like a 5'6", and my daughter's feet is growing, so I gotta get a 7. And y'all, I got everything but those. So tomorrow morning I have to get up before we leave, because I plan on getting on the road to go to the beach around like 11 o'clock, because I know I'm going to run into a lot of traffic because it's Memorial Day weekend, and I'm going to be running into a lot of traffic. People coming back, people going, so I just want to be there early. Check-in time is at 4 o'clock, but they said if I get there earlier and they have something available, then I can get that. So I'm trying to get there around like 2 o'clock, 2:30. So we're going to leave out probably around like 11, but I have to stop at Target to get the damn swim shoes. Target gets me every time, y'all. It's extra that I seen. Like, I got Isla a 2-piece set, a jean jacket. Y'all, I love Target clothes, like their girl clothes, the girl collection. So fire. Like, I get all her pajamas from there, and any little pieces that I see, I be like, oh, this is cute. Yo, I love having a girl, because you can just dress her, not too expensive, and the stuff be coming out real nice. So I did get that. Then I had to go to Wells Fargo, the ATM, to deposit money into my account. Y'all, I don't even have my daughter out this late, and I was just like trying to hurry up and rush because I don't like having my daughter out like long hours of the night. Like I don't play it. Like the latest my daughter be out, it's like 8:30, and that's if we're like coming back from my mom's house. But I don't like to have my daughter out late like that, so that's my fault. But I'm in my daughter's room, y'all. I need my daughter to start sleeping in her room. Like, she got this bed, this big comfy bed. Well, it's not really that big, but it's like a nice toddler sized bed, and she doesn't even sleep in it, up under in my bed. So y'all, if y'all have any tips, tricks to tell me, like, how can I start sleep training my daughter and to sleep in her own bed, then comment below and let me know, because I need my own bed to myself. Like, I need my own bed to myself. I want to stretch out some nights. Like, I can't even do that because this little girl always up under my damn underwear. Like, she's just all up on me. But anywho, I'm in her room right now because I'm about to like just start packing her stuff, getting her stuff ready. I already have her clothes that she's taking behind me, so all I have to do is put that in the bag, and then I'm gonna go back in my room and pack my clothes. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything in my car so I don't have to do that in the morning. I do have to wash Isla hair in the morning and braid her hair because I do want her to wear plaits while we there, because I know she's going to be in the pool and stuff. So I just want her to have plaits. That way I don't have to do her hair when it's time to go out and stuff. So yeah, y'all, come with me and pack. Y'all, I really let it sunrise out. I think I'm gonna get more colors, and it's like a mirror sunriser. Y'all seen it in my previous video, but y'all really couldn't see the full detail because it still had the plastic around it. But yeah, y'all, and y'all, I don't want to forget this. So I got me some disposable cameras, y'all. One thing about me, I love a good disposable camera. So, and this is like waterproof, so this is a good thing. So we're gonna be taking pictures in the pool. So I did get that. My mom and my little brother is coming down on Tuesday, like Tuesday morning. So it won't just be me and Isla for those days. Well, the first night it will be me and Isla, but my mom and my little brother is coming down on Tuesday. So I'm super excited. But y'all, I'm about to pack because I'm tired and I still have to pack my clothes. So let's go. Okay, hey you guys, so I'm about to leave out the house. It's now 10:33 and I definitely made it. I got myself together and Isla together. I had to wash and do her hair this morning, and I just got finished cleansing my face, but I just received my Sephora package and I'm just gonna open it with you guys. And I just got some I don't know if it's, which one is worse, Target or Sephora, that's like taking all my money, all my coins. But I had got me some Valentino. This fragrance smells really good. My cousin, she had told me to try it, and when I say it smells really good. And this is a floral scent. So let's put some on for today. Just a little sprinkle sprinkle. And I love the bottle. The bottle is really cute as well. It smells really good. It's like Valentino. Yes, baby. Thank you. Okay. Also had got me some Fenty. Some Fenty is the fat water, so it's like a toning serum. I'm about to use this on my face as well because I just got finished cleansing my face. And I also got me some Fentyskin moisturizer. So this is like a SPF as well for my skin. So I'm gonna put this on with you guys. Hold on, I have to get. Okay, so that's it for my Sephora, my little Sephora haul. Let me just get this. So hold on, I have to get some pads. Wait, was I supposed to open it like this? Wait. Child, I didn't open the whole top. I think I'm supposed to open it like this. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, child, I didn't open the whole top, but you just open, like, just open it a little bit and it's like a hole. But I'm about to get me some pads to wipe across my face. Be right back. So I have a pad. Just put a little bit of serum on my face. Ooh, it feels really good on the face too. Feels really good on the face. I had to support my girl Riri, but I definitely wanted to try her skin products because I heard really good reviews about them. One thing about me, I'm gonna go to the reviews. But let's try another little. I love how it feels on the skin though. This serum is really good. So it's like a toner. Yeah. Okay. So my daughter just took the moisturizer. Where is it at? Okay. Y'all, I'm like rushing a little bit because I'm trying to get out of the house because I still have to go to Target to get her her swim shoes. So hopefully I go in there and just get that. Bless you, mama. I hope I just go in there and get that because I'm not trying to get. What is going on with the pump? Oh.
Pump here.
The pump not working. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Smells really good. It smells tropical. It smells just like the moisturizer, the body butter. But this is more like a SPF. Okay. And y'all, my set that I have on, it's from Old Navy and it's really good. I love the fit and I love the top. I also have got like this little top to go with it as well. Thank you, honey. All right, so we're about to get going and hit the road, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Hold on. So this is the top. This is like the top that goes with it. So I really love this set. Really good. So I'm about to just throw this on real fast. Mama. See this little girl. Thank you. This is not for little girls. This is for grown women, honey. This is for the ladies. So I'm gonna just put this on. I should have got an extra small in this, but I guess this will do. So yeah, y'all, we're about to head out. Like, you're not getting no more. Stop it.
Stop.
No, you stop. And you got it all on your face. Come on. Get down. Put on your shoes. It's time to go. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get there. It's called the Ferris wheel. So all the little things come on it, like the onion rings, the mozzarella sticks, the shrimp, the chicken tenders and stuff like that. So we're gonna pick at that, but I will be showing y'all, so stay tuned. And Isla, say hi to my YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. Alright, so here you guys, I just put my pajamas on. My daughter is up.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, you got your pajamas on too? Good morning, sunshine. And mommy have her pajamas on. I had got these pants from Target, these pajama pants from Target. They fit so nice. I love these. I'm so mad they didn't have the top in my size. So I had to get a white beater, a tank top to go with the pants. But these pants are so nice. Hold on, y'all. Let's look in the other mirror so y'all can see the pants. So these are the pants. Nice, nice. Isla, you want to show them your pajamas? Nice. So, yeah, y'all, these are the pants. And the tank top. And y'all, I have to go back and get the pink. I think they have like the pink and white ones, the pink and white stripe. So I'm definitely going to go back and get the pants because I love these. These are so comfy. They're given in the housewife pajamas. So yeah, I have to go back and get those. So I'll see you guys later. We're about to get back in bed and just chill out. Dash, say hi to my YouTube.
Hey, A1. What's up? What's up, A1? What's up, A1? We in the pool and we having fun.
We're in the pool and we having fun?
Yeah, we having fun, baby. We having fun.
Okay, let's get in the pool. We are enjoying the pool. Isla, she's trying to chase after my brother, but he found a friend. So it's just me and this little one in the pool. The water is so warm, y'all. It's not even cold, and it feels so good. It feels so good. So good. Bless you.
Yo.
Isla.
Isla calling you.
It feels so good.
Out here! Do you want me to run and jump?
I agree with you. Here.
Hello. How you doing? Well, I'll try to buy Marley.
That was the size you want, though. You were small or...
Can we get a small? Thank you. This looks really good. How much one is it in?
Isla, get your booty.
Do this got liquor in it?
Yeah.
I don't taste it.
You ain't gonna taste it.
What, gonna sneak up on you?
So hey you guys, we just arrived at Willie's and I had got me a Bob Marley. This is really good. It doesn't even smell, it doesn't even taste like liquor. It tastes like a water ice. So good. This is an adult beverage. Do y'all have any virgin ones? Nope. Too bad. So say Isla.
Look, Ma. Hi guys, how are you today?
Yes. Oh, pretty.
I
You see the
get it.
monkey? Look.
Look, I love a monkey.
Isla, you see the monkey? Okay.
Crazy.
Why is it so hard to play Cars in the Jungle?
Because the animals distract you and you mess up the game.
No, there are too many cheetahs. Too many cheetahs. You get it? I got another.
Oh, I get it.
I got another one. What do you get when you cross a cheetah with a cheeseburger?
A cheeseburger? A cheeseburger?
No, fast food.
Fast what?
Fast food.
Oh, because the cheetah's fast?
Yeah.
And you cut up the meat, you cut up the cheetah and it's fast and then you eat fast food?
Yeah.
Wait, another one. Sup guys?